Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Ooh. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. 'Cause I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I'd hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more than me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Anna. Okay, then go this weekend. Hi, Nak. Happy birthday. Maligayang kaarawan. Miss you. Love you so much. Don't forget to pray. God is good. God is great. So, God will guide you in the bright pathway of your life. Love you so much. Love you, Mama.
To dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream.
I can't win, I can't reign, I will never win this game without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you, without you, without you, without you. I can't rest, I can't fight. All
birthday ko. Sana po hindi kayo malungkot kahit wala kang sa birthday nyo. Sana po okay kayo dyan. I love you so much. So, I miss you po.
Can't erase, so I'll take blame, but I can't accept that we're estranged without you. Without you, I can't quit now. This can't be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you. Without you. I won't soar, I won't climb. If you're not here, I'm paralyzed without you. Without you, I can't look, I'm so blind. I lost my heart, I lost my mind without you. I am lost, I am vain. I will never be the same without you. Without you, without you, without you. The strands in your eyes, the color them wonderful, stop me and steal my breath. Emeralds from mountains and thrusts towards the sky, never revealing their depth. Tell me that we belong together, dress it up with the trappings of love.
Hi Bangs! Unang-una sa lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat sa Diyos na binigay ka niya sa akin. Nang dahil sa'yo, naging kumpleto ako. Salamat din sa'yo dahil tinuruan mo ako na magmahal muli. Salamat din dahil napabago kita. Alam mo yun, sana hindi ka na magbabago kung sino ka at kung paano kita nakilala. Sana sa araw na to maging masaya ka. Alam ko, ito yung first na birthday mo na may ganitong okasyon o handaan. Be, mahal na mahal kita, tandaan mo yan. Happy birthday. Sana yung mga wish mo na unang-una yung pinapangarap na makasama mo yung papa mo o makita mo yung papa mo, sana matupad yun balang araw. Hindi man siguro sa ngayon. Sana hanggang sa Pinas tayo pa rin. Sana hanggang habang buhay tayo ng dalawa. I love you always. Mahal na mahal kita. Take care. I love you, bebe. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Shadows of heartache that hang from above. I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be love suicide. I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest fan of your life.
I wish you a good health and thank you for being a good sister-in-law to me. Happy birthday, love you!
Happy birthday, Rick. Sana matupad mo lahat yung pangarap mo. Sana makasama mo na yung mama mo. At sana wag ka magbabago. Stay cool. Happy birthday. I love you.
Rick, sa akin gusto ko magbago ka na kasi huwag ka nang mga-away ng mga away. Love you. Alam mo yan.
Rick, happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Sana bawas-bawasan mo yung maging palaaway mo. Love.
Anak, happy birthday! Ingat ka lagi.
Happy birthday, dude!
Happy birthday, dude!
Thanks sa lahat ng tulong. Stay
Thanks.
sweet.
Thanks po sa inyong dalawa ni Jojo. Happy birthday, Tito Rick from Manaloto Family! We love you, dude! Happy birthday! God bless!
Birthday, kapatid! Ano mo masasabi ko? Masasabi ko lang, sana nga magbago ka na, bumait ka na. Sana na mahanap mo na yung tatay mo. Yun lang. Tanging wish ko sa'yo yung pinakamasayang sana mahanap mo na yung tatay mo. Kahit na nag-aaway tayo lagi, love na love pa rin kita eh. Diyos. Ay, si Ate Lami! Happy birthday! Nayak ako ni Bea kasi sabi niya na mahanap ko yung tatay. Ay, naka-video yan! Nayak tuloy ako! Happy birthday, my dear! Many more birthdays to come. Ay!
Rick, happy birthday. God bless.
Rick, happy birthday. Lagaan mo pa yan si Jojo Patambok ka, isabo.
Head is running wild again. My dear, we still have every